Hello everyone. Today we receive um, a laptop from our subscriber, and it's going to be our first subscriber's job. So he tested me on the 14th of July. He was like, "Hello, hello, good evening. Please, I saw your video on YouTube that you repair laptops. I have an HP Elite X2 that is not working. When I turn it on, it's just the fan I hear spin inside, and there is no display. The caps lock blinks 5 times." And he is from KNUST, a student around, so we want to see if we can fix this for him. So I just turn it on and I can hear the fan spin. All right. And I can see the keyboard lights. Probably you can see as well. There's no code on the keyboard like that. So let's give it about a minute to see if something is coming up or if it's kind of resetting or something. So there is nothing. There is nothing. Okay. So so it looks like some liquid got to this laptop, that I am sure. Uh, let's check under the scope. So right under the scope, I can see this chip has destroyed drastically, and we need to replace this part. We don't have the schematics for this, and I don't know what this chip is responsible for, but I know it's closer to the screen connector and the RAM, so I don't know which one this chip is powering. Okay, so first of all, let's try to replace this chip. We're trying to find the part number. So it looks like there is no schematics for this computer, and now we will have to rack our brain here. So I have the same laptop for donor. Do you get it? And it works. It works all right. This is an i7 8th gen 16 gig RAM, and I just want to check with this non-working one to see the kind of parts that we will need to replace here. Okay, so there's it. So that's the chip. So I'm just going to take this chip off. So I'm just going to replace this part with the customers on. Okay, just to be sure what we are missing. All right. So I'd like to take the battery out. I'm going to add this heatsink just to cover the screen connector. I don't want to burn it. I think the customer is calling. Let's see. Hello? Yeah, good morning. Okay, so I'm actually working on it right now. Once it's fixed, I'll call you. All right, thank you. Like, I'm actually working on it right now. So once it's fixed, I'll give you a call straight away. Sure. So you just hang on tight. All right. Bye. For once, I thought this part was connecting something here, but I think this is the main part. Okay, it's because of the damage. This this part just got scraped away. Okay, so we just need to add some solder here, so that this so that the replacement chip can sit right on here. All right. So I'll add my flags, and I'll come with my iron. I need to, yes, just like that. Just to accept new, right? Now you're going to cover this part so that we don't burn our screen. I just don't want to burn our screen connector. Then I'll come with the replacement chip, the one I took from a known good donor board, and we are going to install it just like that. So now we going to check. So now we're going to check if this one will work. So we start by just connecting the battery. And connect the charger. I'm going to connect the keyboard as well. Yeah, it's on already. fan is spinning louder. And now this laptop is on. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? My goodness. It's a fixed brothers. Can you imagine? This laptop is fixed. I'm so happy, you know. You see, in Africa, we don't even trust ourselves, okay? A white man can come in here and start a business like that, and everyone is going to patronize. Do you get it? But if you are a black guy, if you're in Africa, like they want to hear from other people that, oh, this guy did this for me before, they're going to accept that you can do whatever. But then it's not supposed to be so. We need to trust ourselves, okay? We need to know that whatever we are doing for ourselves. We are building this country for ourselves, okay? I mean, if we'll help each other in this way, what's the need to go? Or what would be the need to travel? What would be the need to be struggling in another man's country? It's not supposed to be. So let's just change our mentality and let's fix the fact that this is how it works. And then our country will be strong again. That's a fix. I can't imagine how this customer is going to be happy today. That's all for today. Please bring in your computer and like my video. Share with others. Those who are having issues with their computer, please share with them. Let them bring them in, and we will try our best to help you all. Thank you very much. Namaste.